Hey guys, Stacey here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a shimmery, colourful, bluey pink look. It kind of looks green and rosy in the camera. Oh well. Anyway, colourful look. I didn't know what I was doing in the beginning of this. I just made it up as I went along, but not gonna lie, I'm kind of happy with the way it turned out. I also, while we're being candid, this look is totally inspired by my Care Bears pajamas that I will be wearing tonight. So yeah, pink and blue-ish. Um, so yeah, I like it though. I would probably wear this to a festival, not with my Care Bears jammies because I'm not that crazy. But yeah, I like this look, and if you want to find out how to do it, just keep watching. Hey, so I'm sure it comes to no surprise to you that I have no idea what I want to do tonight. So bear me while I wing this. Also, I just got out of the shower, so apologies for this monstrosity. I think I want to play around with some colour though, so we'll just figure it out as we go along, and hopefully it's not gonna look too tragic. I have this Tarte palette here. I can't remember what it's called. I just refer to it as the pineapple palette. I'm sure it's like a holiday vibes or something cool sounding like that. I just thought I'm going to just wet my finger and apply these because they're all like, everything I'm using is a shimmer shade. I've gone in with this like pinky, where are we, shade here called First Mate. I'm just going to put that on my inner corners. I was hoping it would be a little bit pinker. It's annoying when you, sorry, apparently can't talk and apply at the same time. It's annoying when you see a colour in the palette and it turns out different on your skin. Like, it's a nice shade. I just want it pink. I'm going to swap a couple on my skin before I try another. Have we got anything pink in here? Oh, I think I just did the same one twice. All these pinky shades are looking quite red. Do I, oh, yeah, I might just finish my other eye, but I think I'm going to find another pink. I've got my like mini remix palette here. I don't want the bright pink in the middle. I'm gonna use this more, I was gonna say pastel pink, I don't know, lighter, less intense pink. It's not really any different. Maybe if I mix it in with the brighter pink, oh yeah, yes, that is closer to what I was looking for. Yeah. Okay, good. I'm glad we sorted that out. So I think I'm gonna like mix some random colors together. I mean, like, I think I'm gonna do blue on my outer corners. Just pink and blue together, like, why the fuck not? Not going out on the town or anything tonight, so, oh wow. Okay, so that color I just chucked on my eyelid then is Carry On. It's this one here from that pineapple palette. Holy moly. I'm going to try and do what I'd normally do to it with a with a brush, but with my finger. Gosh, let's hope I can blend that out to look something like something semi-decent. This is, and I should have expected this. It's a bit greener than what I want. Shouldn't have actually come as any surprise to me because it does look like that in the palette. I should have used maybe the light blue shade that's in the remix palette, but oh well. You win some, you lose some. Holy moly, that is bright. I definitely put more on that side than this one. So even that up a little bit. Holy, I look a little insane. Yep, in my I don't just look insane on camera either. I look insane in my mirror. Fun. Blending brush. I don't normally blend metallics, but I'm gonna make an exception with this. Oh, I'm getting that everywhere. It's like, hey, this is all salvageable, Stacey. You can do it. Again, this is why I like to do my eyes before I do my foundation. Oh well. This is looking alright. This isn't so much. I'm gonna mix that pinky shade together again with the two palettes. Because I think the blue has come over a bit too much from when I was blending. I'm actually not minding this. I think once I've got everything finished and mascara and whatnot, I'll vibe it a bit more. Probably not going to go to the office like this. Maybe a festival. That is so not even. This one is sitting in the right position. This one's a little bit wow, wow, wow. This is not how I recommend cleaning up your mess, but whatever. I am, yeah, exactly. Do you know what? When you do your, I've got a hair caught in my Shape Tape wand. When you do your foundation after your eyes, you don't have to worry about cleaning things up nicely. You just will clean it off properly with a wipe or whatever, and then put your foundation on. Anyway, sorry. I still haven't got the same shape. I need to take this color up a little bit higher. I'm gonna use a brush for that. Just feel like I'll have better control than my fingers. We're not completely matching, but whatever. I don't have a bunch of people to impress tonight, so that'll do. You could take the blue under the eye as well. I don't think I'm going to bother tonight. I'm also considering about, what have I done there? Whether I put like a gold or a silver in the inner corners of my eye. Why not? I've got my Tarte Pro Glow to go. And I'll take the top shade Gleam, which is the silvery one, and track that in the corner a little bit. Ooh. There we go. I am going to do my liner and mascara off camera because it's not very exciting to watch, and maybe I'll dry this bad boy off and then see you soon. Okay, so I just put on some top eyeliner and some mascara. That's what I was thinking of. I also put on like a nude peachy sort of lip, and it's dried this old mane off. So that's my look. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you have any colors you want to see next, pop a comment down below and let me know. Also, if you want to see more videos from me, just subscribe and then you'll get a notification when there's a new one up. Have a good weekend, guys. Bye.